In this video, we will build a 4S4P battery pack using 21700 lithium-ion cells. This means the battery consists of 4 series groups, each group containing 4 cells connected in parallel. This configuration increases both voltage and capacity. The 21700 format has become very popular in modern battery systems. Compared to the classic 18,650 cells, these batteries provide higher capacity and can deliver higher current. This build uses 16 cells in total, 4 cells are connected in parallel. Parallel connection increases total capacity and the maximum discharge current. After that, the parallel groups are connected in series. Series connection increases the total voltage of the pack. The nominal voltage of a lithium-ion cell is about 3.7 volts, so a 4S battery pack has a nominal voltage of around 14.8 V at full charge. The voltage reaches about 16.8 volts. Plastic cell holders are used to keep the cells in place. They help align the batteries and provide mechanical stability for the pack. To make the pack more compact, some parts of the holders were trimmed slightly. Before welding, insulation rings are placed on the positive terminals. This helps prevent accidental short circuits. Nickel strip is used to connect the cells. Nickel has good conductivity and can handle high current. To keep the strip in place during welding, small magnets can be used to hold it down. The connections are made using spot welding. This creates a strong connection without overheating the cells. After assembling the pack, a BMS board is connected. It monitors the voltage of each cell group and protects the battery from overcharge, over-discharge, and overcurrent. The BMS also performs cell balancing, so all groups charge evenly. Next, the 100 West power bank board is connected. It converts the battery voltage into stable USB outputs. Power is supplied from the BMS output to keep the battery protected. The result is a compact battery pack that can be used as a powerful DIY power bank.